Hello, this is Joe Pryor of the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City, a part of Redbud Realty and Associates. I've done a lot of videos and a lot of blog posts on short sales, on real estate short sales in the Oklahoma City area, but this is one that I haven't done for a while, but I think it's the most important one. And this is where I answer the question, why do I do short sales? That's an extremely important question. In fact, if you're a financially distressed homeowner anywhere, and you want to get a realtor to help you avoid foreclosure, that is the question that you need to ask them. It is the most revealing question, and it's going to tell you what you need to know. I want to tell you why I do short sales. You know, I think it's because, for one thing, I'm on the leading edge of the post-war baby boom, so I've lived a lot of years, and I've had some hardships in my life that I've had to overcome. I had a business go under in 1989, so I know what job loss is about. I've had a divorce, and I know what that does to you financially. And in 2008, I was diagnosed with a stage 4 cancer, went to Houston for treatment for about 4 months, and have been traveling to Houston as much as 4 times a year. And if I take all my living expenses and deductibles and co-pays, and if I take extra scans that I've had to do that are not covered, then I've been over $100,000 out of pocket in the last 4 years. And that's a lot of money. Now, I had the money, but still, that's a huge impact. So I empathize when people are in financial distress. And I know all of you out there, when you signed that note on the house, that you had every intention of making every payment. In fact, many of you have taken yourself down to your last dime, your savings, your credit cards, everything you have to make that payment, because you're good Americans and you believe in what you're doing and you believe in honoring your commitments. But sometimes you have to run. Sometimes you just have to say, you know, this isn't working and I have a family to think about and I've got to look to the future. And so you want a realtor that understands what you've gone through. You know, I've been in real estate for 23 years. I've sold over 2,000 houses, and I've earned the right to do what I want to do and to help who I want to help. So for me, doing short sales, helping people avoid foreclosure, is not a real estate job or a real estate commission, because I'm going to work 3 times harder and I'm going to work twice as long to get the deal closed. So it's not about that. It's about a cause, it's about a mission, it's about caring because of what I've been through in my own personal life. It's helping people build a better future. And this is what you need to know. You don't want to know that a realtor says, well, you know, I'll give it a shot. Or a realtor says, well, yeah, I believe in, I do all categories of real estate, because short sales are completely different. You know, I wish we had a perfect record here in Oklahoma City. We do more short sales than just about anybody does. We do at least 40 every year. And we have a 95% success rate. And I wish that 5% was 100%, but there's some that just can't be closed. But if you want people that have education, you want people that are on webinars constantly with major lenders, with organizations that specialize in short sales, with the Department of the Treasury, that constantly are keeping up with the changes in the rules, that have dealt with almost every lender you could possibly think of, and every problem that people have had, whether it's a first mortgage, second mortgage, or third-party lien, then you want people passionate about what they're doing. You want people that care about doing this, because you don't want them to give up when things get tough. So that's my why, and that is the most important question, and that is the first question that you need to ask someone. And if you get the answer back like this, if you say, I care about doing this, this is my mission to help people, then you're on the right track, and you can ask the other questions that you need to know to help avoid foreclosure. This is Joe Pryor of the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City, where we deliver traditional real estate values at the speed of technology.